Alright guys, so welcome here. I'm just going to show you how you can add up catalogs to your WhatsApp business. First of all, you have to make sure you have installed WhatsApp business. You're using WhatsApp business. It's very easy to play around with. Now you have to click on that drop down at the top right hand side and then click on business tools, and you click on catalog. You can see some list of catalogs that I've added here. Alright, so for now I just have to click on this add button here and then choose the images of the catalog. And for now, okay, let me just still add this product. Let me just choose it in multiple folds. All right, you can select all the pictures at once so that customers will have access to all of them. And the item name, let me call it ring. And then uh, let me call it ring. Then the price, I can put it 5,000 naira. And here description is where you write all the description of things about the product and whatever you want to write. Sorry, I'm just tapping my button just to make sure the space is filled. Then here link is if you want the person to like people to order online. Let's say you have a website and you have a web address that you can order from. This place is where you can insert the link. Then here you decide to put the product code if you wish. Most cases it's not necessary. Then you click save. Once you click save, it's automatically saved, and your WhatsApp users can see this product. And once they see it like this, they can swipe round and round and round and check the various pictures of the product. Okay, so it's just as simple as that. So now I have to create another WhatsApp and log in to see how it works, to see how it goes, whether it really goes, how a different user can see that. All right, here, for before I go on with that, here is your link to your entire store where you can copy that link and other persons can access all your product. All right, so now I just have to go over to here. I think I've created another WhatsApp. All right, here. All right, so let me tap on it. All right, now you can see here. All right, you can see once I hit this the catalog button, I can see all the list of products. This Then if this person wants to buy this product, the person just have to message how much, and that's all. And then I have to receive it. So the order will be received as soon as possible. All right, so wow, so that's just all for now. Thank you.